What every restaurant leader needs to know. Stainless steel cleaner and polisher, pro tip number 2. Hi. My name is Michael Nicholas and I'm the owner of US Janitorial Services. Our company specializes in cleaning restaurants and food establishments for nearly 25 years. In this article we are going to cover using the correct stainless steel cleaner and polisher for restaurant leaders that handle the cleaning in-house. Pro tips could be helpful in your household use too. Stainless steel cleaner is a necessary tool for shiny and spot-free stainless steel surfaces. It can be easy to take this for granted, especially if you're surrounded by a sea of dirty stainless steel every day. The reality is, people do it all the time, forget to clean their stainless steel surfaces. Why? Because they don't know how to use stainless steel cleaner properly, or maybe they don't know what's available on the market and what they should buy. Whatever the reason is, we're here to help you out with answers to a few commonly asked questions. What can I use to clean my stainless steel? And should I go with stainless steel cleaner wipes or spray? And what kind of product to use? We are going to cover the pros and cons for this topic and the most common mistakes people do when using stainless steel cleaner and polisher. With all the time, energy and money you've invested in your kitchen, wouldn't you like to know how to keep it clean and shiny? On one hand, the most common problem is that most people are using the wrong product. On other hand, most users believe that stainless steel polisher will clean all the soils and polish the surface like a miracle. Every stainless steel cleaning and polishing project starts with good cleaning and preparation. The surface must be clean, spotless, free of grease, dirt, grime, and soils. You can use soap, detergent or degreaser on your stainless steel depending on how dirty the area is. After cleaning, it tends to leave behind a dull and hazy film. In fact, even if you clean it off with Windex or another spray cleaner, you're still likely to see residue afterwards. Use stainless steel polisher for a shiny and spot-free surface. Using the wrong products. Did you notice that after you clean and polish your stainless steel, in a few hours all of the dust in the air sticks to the surface that you just cleaned? I don't know about you, but I would freak out. There are two types of stainless steel polishers, oil-based and water-based. Many restaurant owners using oil-based products, simply because it's easy to use, hides all the imperfections and unclean spots. The problem here is that the product leaves an oily film on stainless steel surfaces and shortly starts catching all the flying dust in the air. Water-based stainless steel polisher cleans the surface without leaving oily residue. It is a little bit harder to work with and needs more hand work and manual polishing, but the results of using water-based product are outstanding. You will have an oil-free surface with absolute shine. Should you use wipes or spray? We as a professionals recommend spray solution used together with microfiber towels. That way we are able to determine whether or not we need to apply more or less product to bring the desired shine. US Janitorial offers professional services for all of your commercial needs, from kitchens and bathrooms, to flooring and ceilings. Our cleaning services are at affordable prices and have reliable staff. Customers love us because we value our customer service and make sure every job is done properly the first time. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.